Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We are back at Australian VW. We're here to check up on the Tempo. Chassis is arriving today and we're here to see what work is happening on the cab. So let's catch up with her. So here we go, we're back with the Tempo. It has been blasted. Look at this. Blasted and primed now. And it isn't a pile of rust. So the original roof is back on. Started to put all the metal work back in to kind of pull it all back together. Just a few little tack welds on there. All around here on the window, looking great. It has had the guards pulled off. I think we'll see them in a minute. They're just down in the corner. The chassis should be turning up any moment now. There's the roof kind of getting put together. I think there might be a little bit right on top of the roof that looks like it might have had a puddle in it at some point and there's rusted, so that might need a little bit more work. Of course the guys need the chassis here because we just want to check how all that along the bottom all kind of lines up and fits on the chassis before the rest of the kind of work needs to be done. We have got some metal work coming over from Germany, so that's fantastic. Just here, started to come together. Obviously, there's a fair bit of work to do at the top. It isn't as bad as I thought it would be once it had been blasted. So there is plenty of work to do, obviously, on it, but it is looking good. There's inside. Both the inner and outer have been done. I think you can just see up there in the roof there's like a few little fresh air holes that they'll need to be fixed. There we go there. Here's the doors and the skins. They still need a little bit of work. There is all kinds of bits of metal kicked off and picked off, so there's a lot of stuff lying around here. Here's the guards. So as you can see, they've been blasted. They do need a fair bit of work. And those ones through there. So that is, they are double skinned. So they are going to need a fair bit of repair, but I think once the chassis turns up, that'll be good. I think the nose is over here somewhere. There we go, there's the nose. So had some repair work done now on the bottom and around the sides, just kind of pulling it together. I think I might actually be able to hear Mick calling my name, and hopefully the chassis turned up. So we always like to have a bit of a look around while we're here at Australian VW. Got a lovely bus there. Love the colour with the brown and the vintage white on the bottom. Look at those wheels. That is so cool. Really, really nice. Looks like it's just had its registration done. Square back here as well, always popular. Love those. Have to say though, that looks absolutely lovely. Look at that press bumper and all. Lovely bus. A little 555 Spider here. Bit of replica, get some work. Looks like it's having a full bloody overhaul. There's the interior. It's got an engine in there. I think you might be able to just see. There we go. Look at that. Not bad there. So it's taken a little bit of time. The Tempo has been a little bit delayed, let's say, and here she is turning up at Australian VW. That is the chassis. Her saddle. Tyres and stuff on there. very happy.
But all my parts, I know Kelly and everyone really well because I buy all my parts through. What colour is it? That doesn't work. That's interesting. He forked it on.
I did think the steering box worked, but I might have broken that when we were trying to get it off.
At the moment it's half yellow, half primer, but it'll end up being all yellow again. Here she is.
Yeah.
Chassis!
Easy.
Is it a wagon or a plastic?
See, she's not in that bad condition.
No. I mean, if it was a Volkswagen, it'd be fairly good condition, right?
Well, it's kind of a Volkswagen.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get this thing away.
Where are you going?
Right? I don't know, we'll just put it up there in the...
Yeah, where do you want to put it?
Probably easier with the jack.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying, there's no way knowing that's going up. Is it seized? Is it seized?
What?
The car? The wheels? No, you can drop it down there, we just need
No, it'll roll.
No, yeah, I know, but I just can't get over that.
It'll definitely roll. It was just, it was easier to...
You know, that's what happened to me once before, Gwen. They pushed the car right, they hit the gutter with the jack. Right, what's happened is the jack's gone up like this, right, and went down like that on my big toe. On your foot, yeah. Ouch. You know what happened then?
Yeah. So we've ordered this dimple plate from Germany, so that is on its way. I know there is a lot of work to do on it, but it's now reunited with the cab over there. Fuel tank is here. Gauges and extra stuff are boxed on there. So this is everything we have of the Tempo Matador. Jesus. We've only ever really seen her in the garage, and she looked a lot of work in the garage, but in real daylight she does look a massive chunk of work. That's the rear, but we'll get through her. A few little bits need setting up and things like that, but I guess this will get stripped back. It might get a bit of a rub back before it goes off for blasting, and there we go. All the Tempo parts are in Melbourne now. Bless her, she does look different in the daylight. Look at that. Jesus. Wow, we're committed to the job now. Let's get on with it.
So it's got like
these springs,
like bloody shafts going in and out.
Yep.
Drive it, and then obviously all these knuckles here.
Yep.
That one there looks like it's a bit how you going.
Yeah.
You just wheel it, pull the thing up and down the wheel. Something's going on there.
No, yeah, just the wheel bearings. So these shafts are just moving in and turning for the gain and loss. Just be careful, buddy.
Is it sharp?
Yeah,
well, it's sharp and it's all precious.
And it's all light. Oh, he's got new bits of dimple.
Yeah.
It's a tetanus shot waiting to happen.
Yeah, that's right, mate.
That's it.
Well, there we go, another update on the Tempo. It does seem to be happening really quick, so we've had the car for a fair few years, and it is nice to see it moving along. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, loads more coming. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.